Okay, mail call. Now, firstly, I will apologise about the flickeringness of this picture, but my camcorder has gone on the fritz and it only records when it wants to, so I'm having to use my little webcam for this. And this little webcam that I'm using does not like the lighting in here. Anyway, with that aside, let's open up this package and see what we've got inside. This was donated by Paul, kvfive, don't know his second name, it is written there, but I've covered that up so you don't see his address. My address is on the other side, just making sure that's all well hidden so nobody blah 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 blah. Now let's get to open the package. Yeah. So a big thanks goes out to him for donating this stuff. Actually, when I get this packaging off, I can discard of that. Just get around here, try not to block the camera. Christmas has come early. Right, there we go. Okay, let's lay this down. Actually, I'm not laying it down on any other computer stuff. I'm stopping this recording. Put that out the way for now. I've got no idea which direction this box is in. I don't know if it's up or down, but let's see what we have inside. Oh, I'm blocking the camera. At least I can see what I'm doing this time, because I've got the picture, I can see the picture on the computer screen, although it looks like complete garbage on the computer screen. As you can see, it's kind of messed up, but I do know this is recording because I made a few test recordings and the recordings actually came out fine. I'm just using the motion JPEG from the camera and recording that straight onto the hard drive. So there's no software recompression being used. So the picture quality, despite the flickering, should still be pretty good. Alright. 11 years later, finally got into this thing. Oh, actually, let's make that 12 years later. Or it'll feel like an eternity anyway. Right, okay, let's see what we've got here. Knocking the camera as I go, we have an Akai GX4000 reel-to-reel tape deck instruction manual. I don't actually have one of these, but I'll have a look through the manual anyway. Might be a good read. Okay, let's see what we have in this little box here. This little bag, I mean. And of course, I've lost the scissors. Never mind, here they are. Right. Just take the tape off. Oh, what the hell, I'll just cut the bag open. Okay. This is a power supply for a SATEC battery charger. Now, it says this will charge non-rechargeable alkaline batteries as well. Let's see what we've got in here. This is probably the charger itself. Oh yes, look at that. That is really nice. Well, the trouble is, the only batteries I've got in this place are zinc chloride ones. There's the power supply. 6 volts, 700 milliamps. I'll put that over there by the battery charger so I know what it's for. A little aerial for something. Sure, I'll find out what that's for in a minute. Where can I put this without a rude answer? Okay, what's this? I think there's some tapes in here. Actually, let's move the camera in a little bit closer. Don't have a zoom on this camera. Well, I do, but the software on the computer doesn't let me use it. It's not supported. It's probably digital zoom as well. Anyway, now we can see what we're doing. Okay, this, well, one of the things in here is an automobile FM transmitter. Apparently, never used. Right, okay, what we got here? Ooh. An old calculator by Commodore, famous for their Commodore 64. I think this is one of the ones that lights up. Might need some batteries in it though. Yep, takes one 9-volt battery. I think I've got a spare one of those somewhere. Let's just put that back in there so I don't lose it. FM transmitter with, looks like it has 4 different frequencies that it transmits on. Might be able to connect a little microphone preamp up to that and have a FM microphone. Now, what have we got in here? Little TV. Let's see what batteries that takes. Looks like it takes 3 AA's. And I guess this is the aerial. Probably won't be able to receive anything on that now, but that is in really nice condition. Let's just put him back in his leather case. A couple of tapes. Don't know if anything's on this one or if it's blank. Right, what's in this little package? Ooh. I have no idea what this could be. Oh, I'm not showing it in the camera, am I? Little personal stereo. Or a basic one, but yeah. Okay, how long have we been recording for? 9 minutes already. Right, well, let's see what we got in this bag. And there's a tripod. Oh wow, lots of electric parts. Oh, that's good. There's a Vera board and various components and things in there. So I've got a mini tripod. Right, what's this? I have absolutely no idea, like everything else. Well, I do have some ideas of some of the things, because he did mention some of the things in here. One of the things in here is something that I am really wanted for a long time. I think these are some reel-to-reel tape cases. Good ones as well. Now, he did send me one reel-to-reel tape. I don't know if it's in one of these. There's nothing in that one. This one pretty much feels empty as well. Right, what is this? Right, let's see what this is. Okay, lots of big bubble wrap. Okay, we have tapes. I'm not going to go through each and every one of them because that's going to take a while, but some stuff. What I meant by that is I'm not going to go through each and every one of them on this video. Okay. And some nice blank tapes as well. And some recording tape. Apparently this is Agfa tape on a Scotch reel. Finally be able to know what my reel-to-reel is actually capable of, because the tapes I've got for it at the moment are pretty crap. Right, what we got here? Digital video editing kit. Now this is something I was not expecting to get. Let's see what's in this little box. Alright. Okay, just put the CB radio in a different box. There's a little CB radio. Oh, and there's a microphone that comes with it. Might even be able to find Poohface 006 on that, because I know he's into CB radio, although probably out of range. Okay, what we got here? Camcorder stereo audio mixer. Well, this is ready just for audio. There's a little thing in here, I don't know what this is. Oh. A Pentium 2 processor. We're getting there. Right, before I open what's in there, let's just go over to here, see what we got in here. HDMI multimedia thing. I think this is one of the converter boxes. Oh yeah, we got HDMI in or HDMI out, I don't know which. Various jacks on the back. Of course it would help if I was pointing the camera at it. And I've got another one of those right here, which is the exact opposite thing. So I believe this one seems to be a bit longer. Look at that. Actually, I'm going to find this quite handy, because that's might be able to connect my computer up to my TV and have sound with it as well. Now, what have we got in this little box here? Ah, cables. Now this is something I'm quite low on, so it's another thing I need. Lots and lots and lots of cables. Again, I'm not going to go through all of them in the videos. Oh, there's some headphones in here as well. This looks like a microphone from something. Or maybe these... I don't actually know what those are. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And now we come to the really interesting part, or some of you might find this really interesting, some of you might not. I know ones like Cassette Master and Clydesite and AGG 3304 and all of you other tape recorder enthusiasts will find this interesting, and certainly I do too. Actually, let's just get this out of the box, because I don't think there's anything else in there now. Just make sure. Oh, there's something. Make sure I do not scratch this with the scissors. Now, he said the tape deck on this does not work, but I just imagine that's simply a case of bad belts, maybe stretched or turned to goo or completely disintegrated. But there we go, let's just have a look at all this stuff together. What a haul! I feel as if I've died and gone to heaven. So again, big thanks goes out for all this stuff. I really appreciate it. Let's just get a closer look at all this. Shooting in HD this time because I've only just found out that I can record HD video from this camera and still get a good frame rate. So you can see this all in closer detail now. So you watching at home can draw all over your keyboards over this stuff. Although I wouldn't recommend that. I've just realised I'm not saying anything. I'm fantasising about what I'm going to do with all this stuff, you see. Oh, that's not part of it. Don't even know what that's doing on the bed. Oh yes, to take the webcam onto my tripod. Anyway, I guess the next video is going to be a Cool Dude Clem's electronic workshop on getting this going again. And anyway, this video is taking up too much time already, so until next time, goodbye.